What's up guys, here's Jonas from Magix. Software instruments are a great way to add some flavor to your songs. Good news, Music Maker comes with a wide selection of different VSTs such as guitar, bass, drums or synthesizers. Let's take a closer look. I'm working on this hip-hop beat I made from soundpool loops, and I think it could do with a synth melody. Those of you who have a MIDI keyboard, please make sure that it's connected and turned on before launching Music Maker. Now, to add a software instrument, first create a new track by right-clicking an empty space on an existing track and choosing Add Track. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-I. Next, click the plus symbol on the new track. Here you see all the software instruments already installed on your computer. You can download additional instruments such as bass, guitar, drums, or even orchestral instruments via the Store tab. For my track, I will use the Revolta 2 synthesizer and choose the Pad's Glitter Sweep preset. Most software instruments have a selection of presets you can choose from. But you're also able to tweak the parameters to create your own sound. In case you don't have a MIDI keyboard, I recommend using your computer keyboard. Move the software instrument window to the side to make space for the on-screen keyboard, which you can reveal by clicking the keyboard symbol on the top menu or by pressing K on your computer. If you click on the keys, you'll hear the instrument. When the keyboard tab is selected, you can also play notes on your computer's keyboard. Here's a pro tip. You can also change the octave to reach lower or higher notes. As well as turn on the arpeggiator and adjust its interval, shape, and tempo to give you options to control how it reacts. Once you're ready to record something, you can hit record to capture the notes you're playing. In case you're using your computer keyboard to play the notes, please select the on-screen keyboard window right after hitting record. You can now see the MIDI notes that you just recorded. And that's how easy it is to record software instruments with Music Maker. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit MIDI notes. We'll also have a look at cleaning up and perfecting your MIDI recordings with quantization. Now just hit play to hear the notes you just recorded.